Hello friends, welcome to Maha English Grammar and this is your Mahalakshmi. I am going to change our channel's name as Excellent English with Maha. Why? Because people you may think that I am only teaching grammar. So I thought of teaching spoken English also, how to speak in English. So I am going to give more tips. Okay. Likewise, I thought of doing in the upcoming videos. That's why I thought of changing our channel's name as Excellent English with Maha. Okay. And in this video, I am going to give some tips how to improve our spoken English. Okay. And then I am going to share my experience also, how I learned English and how I improved my English language. Okay. So don't skip the video, do watch it. Okay. See, many people will say that you can read English newspapers and editorials, especially the Hindu newspaper, okay, and English magazines. Likewise, they used to tell, but I'm going to tell you to read storybooks. I'm not going to tell you to read newspapers and editorials in the beginning itself, okay, because the beginners can't understand the language of editorials and English newspapers and English magazines. That's why I'm going to give the tips to read storybooks and the books of lower class school books, okay. And then you can read the story and you can underline the hard words. Even we can learn more words in small children's books, okay. I saw many words and I learned many words from the story books and the small children's books. That's why I'm giving this tip to you. Beginners need not go for the newspapers, English newspapers and magazines, because those languages will be so hard. It is not easy to understand. So in the beginning of learning spoken English, this is the best choice that I am giving you. You can read the storybooks and then small magazines like Reader's Digest. Likewise, you can read. Okay. And I'm going to give my experience how I learned English means. In the beginning, even I didn't know to speak English, even I was struggling to understand English also. When I started my UG degree in English literature, I struggled a lot and I faced many problems in the communications between students and the professors, okay. So 3 years I was struggling to complete my UG. And then after I started my PG, okay, I had the spirit. I got the spirit from our professors and then they encouraged me a lot. That's why I started speaking English. Okay, and when I attended my first seminar in English, I struggled a lot and I got frustration. Even I couldn't attend the seminar, but even though I had fear, I didn't show outside because I thought of achieving it. That's my goal. I have to learn to speak in English. That's why I didn't show outside, but even though I had frustration. And when I attended the first seminar, after I attended and when I came out of the seminar hall, all the friends and professors appreciated me and they congratulated me, and I did my seminar in a very grand manner, very well. So they appreciated me, and at that moment I was very happy and I felt that I achieved in spoken English. Okay, that's why I'm thinking of sharing my experience to you. Because when I was in UG, even I didn't know to speak in English, I didn't know to understand English even. That's why I'm telling you that people, you should never have the fear of English. Okay, don't hesitate to speak in English, even though not knowing English. Try to understand and try to speak a little words, small vocabularies in your English language. Okay, surely you can also achieve in spoken English one day in future. Not in future, now itself you can achieve in spoken English. Okay, and then after I completed PG, when I came out of my college, okay, I was in completed mind that I achieved in spoken English. Achieved means not in the upgraded level. Okay, when I compare with my UG, okay, I got a little bit of experience in learning spoken English. Okay, and afterwards after I got the job, I learned many things regarding English and how to expose my thoughts in English. Afterwards, not only learning, but also I was conveying my messages in English, even when I was going to hospitals and temples, so on, many places. Wherever I go, okay, I spoke in English. I conveyed my thoughts in English. Okay, without hesitating, I used English language. Okay, don't feel shy to expose your thoughts in English, because people won't think anything, but people will be there, those who will always gossiping about us, but we should never feel about their gossips. Okay, instead we have to acquire the skills, spoken skills. Okay, and so I hope this video will be useful to you to throw out your fear. Okay, so just to throw it out and get the skill, have the hope to learn English. Okay, love English, learn English, speak English. Thank you. Bye.